Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't reply to Instagram story issue. Now first, what you need to check is to make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality. Next, you might also want to check on some cache issues. So sometimes accumulated cache can cause glitches. Try clearing the cache for the Instagram app in your device settings. Then you can also check account settings. So the person who posted the story might have restricted replies. You can check this by asking them directly or trying to reply to other stories. Next up, you can also ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity issues can prevent you from sending replies. Next up is multiple accounts. So if you use multiple Instagram accounts, switching between them can sometimes cause issues. Try logging out of all accounts and then logging back in. Now for app permissions, check if Instagram has the necessary permissions on your device, such as access to your microphone and camera. And finally, if none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. If the problem persists, you might need to contact Instagram directly for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.